Picture this, the bustling heart of ancient Rome. A city alive with the sounds of merchants calling out their wares, the chatter of citizens, and the clatter of horse-drawn carts on cobblestone streets. Imagine a city teeming with life, a melting pot of cultures where people from all corners of the known world converge to trade, to share ideas, and to build a future. This was Rome, a center of power and progress, where every street and building told a story of ambition and innovation. Rome wasn't built in a day, and it certainly wasn't satisfied with modest ambitions. The city grew, brick by brick, into a sprawling metropolis. As the Roman Empire stretched its mighty arms across continents, so too did the thirst of its citizens. They craved more than just land and power. We're not just talking about wine and ambition here, but something far more essential: water. Water was the lifeblood of Rome. Water to sustain a rapidly growing population, to quench the thirst of its people, and to support the daily needs of a bustling city. Water to fuel Roman baths and sanitation systems, ensuring that the city remained clean and its citizens healthy. Water to transform Rome from a city of 7 hills into a shining beacon of civilization, a marvel of urban planning and engineering. The Romans were known for their pragmatism, their military prowess, and their ability to conquer. But their true genius lay in their ability to build and sustain. Their lasting legacy can be found in their remarkable feats of engineering. Among these, the Roman aqueduct stands as a testament to their innovation. The aqueducts were not just conduits for water, they were lifelines of a burgeoning empire, bringing fresh water from distant sources into the heart of the city. These marvels of ancient engineering weren't just conduits for water, they were lifelines of a burgeoning empire, symbols of Roman ingenuity. They were a glimpse into the very soul of a civilization that dared to shape the world around it, leaving a legacy that endures to this day. Rome's early days were humble, with a small population and simple needs. The Tiber River meandering through the heart of the city was the lifeline for its early inhabitants. It initially quenched the thirst of its citizens, providing water for drinking, bathing, and irrigation. But as Rome grew, so did its problems. The city's expansion brought an influx of people, increasing the demand for water. The Tiber, once a source of life, became increasingly polluted, unable to sustain the growing population. Waste, industry, and the sheer density of the population turned the river into a health hazard, posing serious risks to public health. Something had to be done. The Romans, never ones to back down from a challenge, sought a solution. They needed a reliable, clean water supply, and they needed it on a grand scale to support their ambitious city. Enter the aqueduct, a stroke of engineering brilliance that would forever alter the Roman landscape and the lives of its people. These weren't just ditches dug into the ground, they were complex systems of channels, tunnels, and bridges, designed to transport water over vast distances, defying gravity and terrain with remarkable precision. These aqueducts became the arteries of Rome, ensuring a steady flow of clean water, which was crucial for the city's survival and growth. What made Roman aqueducts so ingenious? It all boiled down to a simple yet powerful force: gravity. Roman engineers, masters of observation and practicality, understood that water always seeks its lowest point. They harnessed this principle to create a system where water, collected from pristine springs and distant lakes, would flow downhill, carried by the gentle but relentless tug of gravity. But it wasn't just about letting water flow freely. Roman aqueducts were carefully graded, with a slight downward slope meticulously calculated to ensure a constant flow without eroding the channel walls. Tunnels were dug through mountains, bridges were erected across valleys, all with astounding accuracy, showcasing the Romans' mastery of surveying and construction techniques. Section 4. From Blueprint to Monument, Building the Arteries of Rome. Constructing an aqueduct was a monumental undertaking, a testament to Roman organization and manpower. It required skilled engineers, surveyors, laborers, and an unwavering commitment to see the project through. The process began with meticulous planning and surveying, mapping out the most efficient route and accounting for every hill, valley, and obstacle along the way. Then came the backbreaking work of construction. Using materials like stone, brick, and a special type of concrete they invented, the Romans built arched structures to support the water channels. These arches weren't just aesthetically pleasing, they were marvels of structural engineering, distributing weight efficiently and allowing for longer spans. Section 5. Aqueduct All-Stars, Notable Waterways of the Roman World. Over several centuries, the Romans built an intricate network of aqueducts, spanning over 250 miles and supplying water to numerous cities across their empire. Some of these aqueducts still stand today, enduring reminders of Roman ingenuity. The Aqua Appia, Rome's first aqueduct, may have been small, but it paved the way for greater things. The Aqua Marcia, renowned for its purity, brought water from over 56 miles away. And then there's the awe-inspiring Pont de Garde in France, a towering three-tiered structure that once carried water over 30 miles to the Roman city of Nîmes. These aqueducts weren't just functional, they were symbols of Roman power and sophistication. Section 6. Water everywhere, the ripple effect of aqueducts on Roman society. The impact of aqueducts on Roman society was profound. Clean, readily available water transformed Roman cities. Public baths, once a luxury, became centers of social life. Elaborate fountains, symbols of abundance, graced public spaces. And Roman sanitation systems, a marvel of the ancient world, relied heavily on the constant flow of water. But the impact went far beyond hygiene and aesthetics. Aqueducts facilitated agriculture, industry, and even firefighting efforts, shaping the urban landscape and propelling Roman cities into a new era of prosperity and sophistication. They weren't just engineering feats, they were the lifeblood of Roman civilization. Section 7. A legacy etched in stone, the enduring impact of Roman ingenuity. The Roman Empire may be long gone, but its legacy lives on. From the ruins of their once mighty empire to the bustling modern cities that still bear their mark, the influence of Roman ingenuity is undeniable. The next time you turn on a tap or marvel at a modern-day bridge, remember the Romans. Their innovations in engineering and architecture laid the groundwork for many of the conveniences we enjoy today. Their aqueducts, those enduring symbols of ingenuity and determination, remind us that even the most complex challenges can be overcome with a combination of observation, innovation, and a lot of hard work. These structures, built with precision and care, have stood the test of time, showcasing the brilliance of Roman engineering. The Roman Empire may have been built on conquest, but it was sustained by the ingenuity of its people. Their ability to adapt, innovate, and solve problems was key to their enduring success, and in the heart of that ingenuity, flowing through the veins of their civilization, we find the enduring legacy of the Roman aqueduct, a testament to the power of human innovation to shape the world around us. These aqueducts not only provided water but also symbolized the Romans' ability to harness nature for the benefit of society, leaving a lasting impact on future generations.